My name is Paul, founder of MyBikeGuard. For the past 35 years, I've been in software development, running my own businesses, both as a developer and a manager. I've been cycling all my life. As a kid, 10 kilometers to school and sports every day. As an adult, I've been riding my road bike, at least for the past 25 years, 2-3 times a week, whenever the weather allowed it. I always wanted to build a consumer app, and combining that goal with my love for cycling just makes sense. The idea came on a 2,222 kilometers solo bike ride from Denmark to Rome in spring 2024. Riding alone and in groups, I often felt unsafe, especially in traffic, and that experience made me realize how little attention most cycling apps give to safety, and that's what inspired MyBikeGuard. We're just getting started, but it's already been a very exciting ride. I put together a very talented international team, developers, UX designers, marketing specialists, all very passionate about building something truly different. We share one mission, to make MyBikeGuard the to-go app for anyone who wants to ride safer, regardless of bike type and purpose. Unlike other apps, we put safety first.
Radar connected.
We focus on a clean, intuitive user experience. It's not just for tech guys, it's for everyone. MyBikeGuard is about making cycling safer for all riders. We're working on game-changing features like real-time distance tracking between riders in a group. Each rider will also get a safety score, creating a culture where everyone wants to be the safest rider in the group. In many cycling communities, safety is overlooked, even taboo to talk about. Too often people take unnecessary risks and few dare to challenge that culture. We want to shift that mindset, and with the help of technology, including AI, we believe we can. If I had to give one safety tip, remember, you're always the vulnerable part in traffic. Don't take risks. And my next dream ride? Cycling along the Rhine. From the Swiss Alps to the North Sea, 1,450 kilometers of history, nature and freedom.